Hi everyone, this is Shayla here from Perle Glow Makeup, and today I'm here to give a little introduction to our amazing new product that we've got on the market, and that is our Perle Glow. Perle Glow can be used in 4 different ways, and one of them is a primer. Everyone knows what a primer is. That's nothing new and very exciting, although there is something very exciting about this primer. This primer here will help soften out any lines and creases, any of the pores. Now, not only will it help any foundation from making it look like there's any lines there or creases and pores, it's actually having long-term benefits as well too. So everyone knows that we use beautiful crushed pearl powder in all of our products, and this is extremely anti-aging, it's collagen boosting, and we have the hydrating benefit from the aloe vera as well too, so that helps absorb moisture from in the air and help plump and keep your skin hydrated. We've got all those long-term benefits of using this product, and then also the short-term benefits of, while you're using it, having it sort of soften out any of those lines, any of the pores, making the skin feel so silky, and just giving a really beautiful base and sort of quite a canvassed look to the skin. So we'll be having a tutorial on how to use it as a primer, so make sure that you go over and have a look. I'll put a link down below so that you can go over and check that video out. Now, for the second purpose of this product, you would use it as a manipulator to color. So any foundation or concealer that you have that is too dark, you can use Perle Glow. Just a couple of drops of this product and it will help lighten the shade dramatically. So the pigments in this are sensational, and it's basically just to help you manipulate color. So coming into winter is a perfect time for a product like this. We've got our summer foundations and they're just that little bit too dark. Just a couple of drops of this Perle Glow will help lighten it and get that color just perfect for you. And also that leads me to my third benefit, which is it stops color from changing on your skin. So if you're someone who has really acidic skin and you just really seem to struggle, you seem to look at your foundation as you're leaving the house and it's absolutely perfect, you're like, yes, this is the right color, I've done it, I've finally got the right one. Only to look at yourself about a couple hours later and just see that it's a completely different shade. You might be finding that you've got quite acidic skin, or just the type of foundation that you've got actually does change color and oxidizes a little bit throughout the day. This product here will actually stop that from happening. It's incredible. So I've never been able to find a product that has been able to do that for me before. It gives a lovely consistency to any foundation and concealer, which leads me to my next point. So the fourth and final thing that's just super amazing about this product is that a couple of drops in any product, it will make the foundation or concealer super absorbing and also really, really long wearing. So it's got amazing setting benefits. You won't be needing to worry about any setting sprays or powders. I haven't quite ever come across a product this amazing with this many benefits before. Even if you aren't needing to change color, or you don't need a primer but you are really trying to find the right shade and keep it the right shade for you, or one of the two, just know that you're getting all those amazing skincare benefits no matter what. So yeah, pretty cool little product to have in your kit and just super helpful to use when needed. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye.